Hi, I'm Shelly Turner with the BUILDERALL team, and I'm going to show you how to set up a membership site so that you can get access for your users. So we're going to use buttons and menus to set up access. So the first thing I want to show you is what I've set up so far. So I have a home page, a membership access page, which has a button leading them to the membership area, which is protected. You can see that little red circle. That means it's a protected page and they're not going to be able to get in without permission. So let's take a look at each of these pages. So I'm going to click the little triple dots and go to the website for the home page. And we've got a home page set up with some buttons here, and they're not configured yet, but we're going to take a look at how to set up the buttons for your membership area, or you can even do the same thing with a menu. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the second page. So go to website. And this is the membership access page. And this is where they click to be able to go to the membership area. If I click this button right now, because it's protected, I shouldn't be able to get in. So if I click go to member area, it says you have to register. So it's telling me you have to register because you're not a registered user. So that's what we're going to look at now, getting them to register before they try to get into the protected area, so that they have a username and password to get in. So let's see how we can do that. So I'm going to go back into Cheetah, and we're going to start editing these pages. The first one we're going to edit is the home page, where all of our buttons and menus are, so we can see exactly what's available to help our users get into the membership area. So I'm going to go into my editor, and here we've got buttons set up and a menu set up. So let's jump into the buttons first. So when we have a button, we can actually click on the button and go to that menu toolbar and click the set link. It's the fourth one from the left. So if I click it, it's going to allow me to set the link for that button. Now that first button was the login button. So if I go down here to where it says site members, these are the actions that I can choose from. And I'm going to choose for this to be a login button. So it's a login button. Once they log in, what area do they get access to? And I'm going to say they get access to member area 1. And then I can choose where I redirect them before they take action. And I'm going to redirect them to the access page. I'm not going to redirect them to the membership area yet. I'm going to redirect them to the access page. So I'm going to click on that, and then we're going to click save. So what that does is it allows the person to click and log in with the username and password that exists already. And then once they do that, it will send them to the member access page. Now let's take a look at log out. So I'm going to click that and then go to set link. And I'm going to go to the site member area, and I'm going to do log out and then redirection. In the redirection, I'm going to send them to the home page, back to the very beginning. And then I'm going to click save. And then for the register button, I'm going to do the link as well. And I'll click on site members, and then this is a register button. So when they register, they get access automatically to member area 1, and the redirect is going to be to the membership access page. And then I'm going to click save. And then here, password reminder, I'm going to click on that and do the link. And I'm going to go down to site members, and I'm going to click remember. And then the redirect is going to be to the membership access page and save. So now we've got all of these buttons set up, and I'm going to click save, and then that's fine. And now we can see that we can do the exact same thing on our menu. So if I click on the menu and then I go to configure items, that's going to open up my menu tools, and each of these items has a link on it the same way the buttons do. So if I click on each link, the first one was login, so I'll go to the exact same thing, site members, and then log in. They'll get access to member area 1, and we'll send them to the member access page and save. And then the second one, log out. So I'm going to click the link and then site members, and the action is to log out, and the redirect is going to be to home so they can log back in again. So I'm going to click save. And then register, I'm going to click the link button. I'm going to go to site members and register. They'll get access to member area 1 automatically. And when they're done registering, we'll send them to the membership access page and then save. And then the last one, password reminder, I'm going to click the link, and then I'm going to go to site member and remember for password reminder. and then the redirect is going to be back to the home page, and then save again. So now we've configured our buttons and we've configured our menu to work with getting them to either log into the membership area, log out of the membership area, to register for a new account in the membership area, or to recover their password if they forgot their password. So let's go ahead and click save, and then that's fine. And now this is actually published. So what we would need to do is there's several different things that you need to remember about this. Is the login button needs to go somewhere that's outside of the membership area, so they can click it and actually log in and then get sent to the membership area. The log out button typically goes inside a protected page area. So when they're inside the membership area, when they're ready and they're done, they can click log out and it will take them out of the membership area. Register typically goes outside of the membership area on a page that's not protected, because they have to be able to click this to register. Once they register, you can send them to the membership access, and there they can click to go into the membership area. And then, of course, you can put password reminder anywhere you want to. It can be on the outside of the membership area, inside of the membership area, or both. So let's go ahead and take a look at this live version and see what happens when we register and then purposely log out and then try to log back in and see if we can get access to our membership area. So I'm going to go ahead and save this one more time, and that's fine, and close. And now we'll go to the live website. So I'll go over here. Right here's the live website, so I'm going to refresh it to get the latest changes that we've made. And the first thing I need to do is register. I have to have a username and password to get in. So I'm going to click register. All right, so I've filled out all the information, and I'm going to click confirm. And now it takes me to the membership area where I can click to go into the membership area. Now, if you remember when I did it last time, it made me register because I wasn't registered yet. So it should see me as registered now because I filled out the form. And now I can click go to member area, and I should be able to get it into the membership page. And there it is. So now I'm actually in the membership area because I've registered. And now let's see what happens if I log out. So I'm going to go back to that page that has all the buttons on it. And I'm going to officially log out. And let's see what happens. So I'm going to click the log out button. Now the log out button would be inside the membership area. And then click log out to log out of their membership area. Then they'd have to log in to get back in. So if I click log in, it's going to allow me to put my email in there again and my password, and then sign in. And now I'm back logged in again, and if I click go to member area, I'll get access to that private membership area. Now what happens if I forgot my password? I don't remember what it is, I can't remember what it was, and I'm just stuck. So let's go back to the page where our buttons are on, and I can click password reminder. So if I click that, it's going to have me put my email in and click confirm, and it will send me my password information so I can actually log in. Now, these buttons do all the same things as these buttons. Remember that login goes on the outside of the membership area. Log out goes on the inside of the membership area. Register goes on the outside of the membership area. And password reminder should be on the outside of the membership area too. So the only one that should really be on the inside of the membership area is the log out button. So they can log out of the membership and then have to log in to see the membership area again. So that's how you use buttons and menus to be able to set up your access for your membership areas inside of Cheetah in BuilderAll.